Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can install Eclipse in our Windows operating system. So let's start. Open your browser, just write here Eclipse and open your first Eclipse official link. Now you can see that the download page is open. Now for Windows we will install this version, Get Eclipse IDE. This is the latest version, and this Eclipse already include GRE or JDK, so we don't need to install or download JDK. I will click on download and I will click on download. You can see that the Eclipse is downloading, and after complete the downloading process, I will install Eclipse. You can see that my Eclipse is already downloaded. Now I will go to download folder and I will click on exe file, double click on exe file, and you will see that the installation process will be start, and it will take couple of minutes to complete the installation process. Now you can see that there are list of Eclipse IDE that we can install in our system, but you can install for Java web, you can install for C++, you can install for PHP developer, you can install for Java DSL developer, and so on. And right now I need Eclipse IDE for Java developer, so I will click on this, and you can see that I don't need to install a JDK because it's already downloaded with the Eclipse. So I will select the latest version and I will click on, this is the installation folder, and I will click on install, accept. Now my installation process is installed. It will take couple of minutes to complete this process. Then after that we will try to write a hello world program in Java. You can see that my Eclipse IDE is already downloaded, so I will click on launch button and my Eclipse IDE is ready to use. Now I will try to create a simple Java project, and I will show you how we can run a hello world program in Eclipse. Okay, so this is our workspace. That the program or project will be saved on this location. If you want, you can change, but for me it's fine, so it's okay. And click on launch. Now you can see that my Eclipse IDE is ready to use. Now I will go to file and I will click on new, and I will click on Java project. Now I will give name to my Java project, first project, and this is the location where my project will save, and this is the Java JDK, and is okay. Now is okay, and I will click on next button. Now you can see that everything is okay. Then I will click on finish. You can see that my Java project is ready, is created. Now I will try to, now you can see that our project, Java project, is created. Now I will click on source and I will create a package name. Then I will just give name to my package, maybe hello, and I will finish, click on finish. My hello package is ready. Now inside my package I will create a Java class, and I will give name to my Java class KhanPedia, and I will select the main method and I will click on finish. You can see that my Java class is ready. Now I will just print a small hello world string. So I will write a small code here, system.out.print, and done. And here I will print a string here, hello is first program, and I will save my program here and I will click on run. You can see that my Hello World program is ready to use. So this is a small video that how we can install Eclipse, and how we can create project, and how we can create a Hello World class or program in our project. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.